This is the Othelia Joy Show. Hello and welcome to the Othelia Joy Show, here for your enjoyment. I am here at a New Year's networking meet and greet where I'll be conducting interviews with small businesses and ministries. So stay tuned. Hello, so I'm here with Lynette of the Mono River Treats. It's a catering business, and then she also has another business called Trans America. So we're gonna start with the catering. Tell us a little bit more about Mono River Treats.
I love working with people and getting to know different people. So a few years ago, my husband and I decided to open up just a side business on the side, Mono River Treats. We're part-time in that. We do not do too many catering events, but we do baking, catering, do a lot of stuff with church, just different organizations in Sacramento. But really, it's like turning a hobby into a business.
Hello, and that's the best thing to do, turn a hobby into a business. And I've actually tried the treats before. Oh my goodness, you guys, you're definitely missing out if you have not tried it. It's so delicious. Oh my goodness. So how long does it take you to bake these treats?
Forever.
Forever, no. I know, right?
Because during the day I work, so most of the time I bake everything at night. So that's why we only do it mainly part-time, just a few orders every now and then. But we do all the baking during the night. Okay. So after I put my little baby, my daughter, to sleep, then in the middle of the night, for cakes, if it's a custom order for a cake, that takes a while because you have to let it set before you finish it or do the decorations. But most of it, just throughout the night when we have different events. The last event that we had, I didn't sleep all night because the event was in the morning. So started working as soon as I got home from work around 6 o'clock and got done probably around 4. Took an hour nap and then started getting ready myself to go to the event.
Wow, that's what you call commitment and dedication. So is it just you and your husband? Do you have extra help?
It's my husband and I. Yeah. But whenever we have something where we need to help out, of course we have people around that help us. But yeah, my husband and I, we do it.
That is awesome. And then where can someone order?
We have a Facebook. Our website, actually, we just took it down. But we have a Facebook, Mono River Treats on Facebook. And Mono River, both my husband and I were a product of the Mono River, so that's why we chose that name. Perfect for our business. You
took the question right out of my mouth. I was going to ask, where did you get that name from? So perfect. Thank you for explaining that. So her information will be below, so you can pre-order Mono River Treats. Now, next to your other business, so you have just started, you said Trans America. Trans America. So tell us a little bit more about that.
A few months ago, my husband and I called one of the representatives from Trans America to just come and look at our retirement portfolio and also to start a savings fund. We have a savings for my daughter, but something for college. And I was running late to the appointment because I had a new appointment. But he talked to my husband, the representative at Trans America. And when I got to the appointment, maybe about half an hour later, he asked my husband to kind of just explain to me what he went over, and he did it so perfectly and explain exactly what he initially told him about the different accounts and the different portfolios that they have. So he offered my husband a job to come on and work with him, but they do a lot of husband and wife teams. So I started doing it as well. And they offer different retirement plans that are tax deductible. The savings is what I really love. There's a 529 savings for the children that you don't have to worry. The tax is tax deferred. Education, long-term care for the elderly, want to just put some money aside, or a lot of people end up going to nursing homes. Traditionally, as Africans, we don't put our parents in nursing home, but you can start a little savings account for if something happens with them, in the future. And the new product that they just started is Legacy Shield, where they help you plan for the unwanted, like help you plan your funeral, help with the life insurance. They help with wills, trusts, living trusts, and all sorts of things.
So if someone want to get in touch with you in terms of trying to get a saving account, where can they contact you?
I think the best way is just my phone number, 916-837-1922, because Transamerica, they do have the website, but each individual person, I haven't set up a website for Transamerica yet. I'm trying to build up my client bases and get a little bit larger before I go to the website, but just contact me or via email, 916, for the phone, 916-837-1922, or email laa1977@aol.com.
You hear it, and that will also be below, so stay tuned. All right, thank you so much, Lynette. Woo!
Baby, I don't know. Say, baby, I love you. Other girls, they want me, but that you, I see. Baby, I know. oh.